In this video, we are going to learn how you can register a domain name. So let's get started. To register our domain name, we are going to use Namecheap. There are many domain registration services, but in this demonstration, we're using Namecheap. We'll provide the Namecheap website link in the video description. Now, Namecheap is very popular and you can register your domain name at a very low cost. So if we take a look at their website, this is the first section that you're going to see. You can register or transfer a domain. So if you already have a domain, you can transfer it to Namecheap and you can just simply enter your domain name and click on transfer. If we scroll down, we can also see various plans from Namecheap. You can look at the promos tab over here. You can get discounts, and there's the .com plans and the .org plans, Easy WP Turbo, quarterly annual plans. So all of the promos are over here. If you click on the domains, here are the domains. The .com domain, you can get it for $9.68 a year. So normally it's $14.98 a year, but with the 35% off, you get it for $9.68. You can also look at WordPress hosting. So there are some WordPress plans such as the free trial, which is available for $0 for the first month, but for renewal, it will cost $6.88 a month. Now, in order to actually register your domain, first you have to create an account. You can sign in over here, just adding your username and password and clicking on the sign in button. But if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up. So from here, you have to add in a username, a password, confirm your password, enter your first name, last name, and email address. Okay, and you can decide if you want to sign up to their newsletters. So I'm going to quickly fill these up. So after filling up the form, we're going to click on the create account and continue button. And now we have created our account. Okay, while we are signed in, we're going to go to the home page. And over here, we are going to register our domain name. Here you can write the name of your domain that you're searching for. Now, when selecting domain name, it's a common practice of using the name of your company or your business, or if you're creating a personal portfolio website, it might be a common practice of using your name as the domain name. But what happens sometimes is these names are not available. So if you find that the name is not available, what you can do is add some extra characters to the domain name that you're searching for and try to see if that's available. For example, if you want to create a personal portfolio website and you want to register a domain name, you might be using your own name. For example, your name might be John Doe. Now, if you search for John Doe and see if it's not available, you can add some extra characters such as IamJohnDoe.com. And that way, you might have a higher chance of seeing if that domain name is available. If it's available, you can take it. If it's not, you can try other combinations. So when selecting a domain name, try to keep your name short and precise and try to exclude numbers if possible. So let me show you a domain name that I have selected for this video. For example, I just entered looking for a new domain. So of course, this is just for demonstration purpose. But if you want to register a domain name, make sure to register a domain name that better describes your business or the purpose of the website. Okay, so I'm going to click on search. And over here, we can see it says looking for a new domain.domains. It's available at $37.98 a year. Here, looking for a new domain.com. It's available for $9.68 a year. With the retail price, it's $14.98 a year. Okay, so looking for a new domain.domains, this is also available. .net, .org, .ai, so all of these are available. Okay, .xyz, .io, .inc, but we're going to choose the .com, which is much more preferable for us. So we're going to click on simply add to cart. Okay, it's added. Now we can see that the item has been placed in our cart. We can view the item or we can just simply go to checkout. So let's see how we can check out. I'm going to click on this button and it's going to bring us over here. And from here, you can actually see this is your domain name. From here, you can choose how many years you want to get this domain for. By default, 1 year will be selected. You can select 2 years. So if you choose 2 years with a 25% off of first year, it will be available for $26.26. Okay, instead of $29.96. I'll have 1 year selected. Here you can also get domain privacy, which is enabled, and auto renew. So this is free from Namecheap and it will be free forever. So if you want to know what's the benefit, you can click on this drop down. It's going to say privacy protection service that hides your personal info in the public Whois database. So in the Whois database, people can search for your domain and get your personal information. But if you purchase from Namecheap, they will give you a domain privacy, so your data will be safe. Again, if you want premium DNS, you can also enable it, but you will be charged with $4.88. And if you want stellar web hosting, you can also enable that, but we are okay with this. You can also apply a promo code if you have. A promo code will offer you some additional discount on the order amount. Sometimes Namecheap offers such promo codes. Check the video description to see if we currently have any promo code or coupon code available for you. Again, if you want to improve your site, you can get some features such as web hosting, business email, rank higher in search, SSL, VPN, premium DNS, WordPress hosting, social media manager, review manager, site lock, website protection. So some of these are actually very helpful, such as the SSL. Now, the SSL will add the HTTPS, which is a must if you want to get a website nowadays. Without the HTTPS, many modern browsers will discourage visitors from accessing your website. So this is a must. So you should add it. Again, if you want WordPress hosting, you can also get this. It will help you launch WordPress in less than 30 seconds. And once you're done, you can simply click on confirm order, and then you will be brought to this section. And here you can see the subtotal is $15.85. I've only gotten the domain and the SSL. Now here you have to add in your first name, last name, company name, job title, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, province, or zip code, postal code, and country. Now if you're registering on behalf of a company, you have to have this selected. Otherwise, you can disable it. Okay. But if you have this enabled, you have to enter the company name and the job title. And again, when you're entering addresses and cities, state, province, make sure you're adding a real address. Otherwise, you might have issues with your domain. So add in your real address, city, state, province, zip code, and country. Then here you have to add in your phone number, and the fax number is optional. Finally, your email address. And once you're done, just simply click on continue. For whois and billing address, you can use your default account address if applicable. And once you are done, click on continue. You will be taken to the payment page. You can pay using a credit card, PayPal, or other supported methods in your region. Make the payment and the domain will be registered with your information. So that is how you can register a domain using Namecheap. So we hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.